Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Apple and Samsung are the titans of the smartphone world, but which is the best brand to go for? Here, we explore the features that separate the two. If you're looking for a high-end mobile phone, two of the most popular options on the market are the Apple iPhone and the Samsung Galaxy S series running on Android. Each year, these phones compete with the latest features, camera technology, and designs at the premium end of the market, with the very best handsets costing upwards of $1,500. It's now common to see multiple variations of these flagships, typically a standard model, a Plus or Pro version with enhanced features and/or a larger display, and the very top-end Ultra or Max. Choosing between them and weighing up the benefits against more affordable phones by these brands is no easy task. We're here to help. Well, in today's video, we will be doing a comparison between Apple and Samsung. Without further ado, let's begin. Phone design. Apple's iPhones have come a long way since the rounded, plastic-backed iPhone first released in 2007. Newer models now take on a sleeker glass and stainless steel design that aims to turn heads. One distinguishing feature of iPhones is the notch at the top. This houses the front camera and the face unlock sensor, and though it has become quite iconic, doesn't appeal to everyone. Like Apple, Samsung Galaxy smartphones have veered away from the plastic design. The S6 Edge was the first of its models to feature its innovative dual-edge display in 2015, and the range has evolved since, with larger displays and thinner bezels. Samsung now uses more subtle hole-punch front cameras, a small hole to house the lens rather than a notch, which can make the display seem more immersive. In both cases, expect some of the very latest screen technologies, with high resolution, sharp images, and accurate colors. There's rarely much to choose from on this front. Screen size and resolution. Apple offers three versions of the iPhone 12. The 12 and the 12 Pro actually have the same size display, 6.1 inches, and the same resolution, 1170 by 2532. The iPhone 12 Max is larger, with a 6.7-inch screen and 1284 by 2778 resolution. Samsung takes a slightly different approach. Its standard S21 has a 6.2-inch display, 1080 by 2400, and the S21 Plus bumps this up to 6.7 inches with the same resolution. The S21 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch display and 1444 by 3200 resolution. The two phones have different display types. The newest iPhones have a Super Retina XDR OLED display, while Samsung's new model comes with dynamic AMOLED displays. AMOLED displays allow control over each individual pixel, which in theory produces better picture quality. AMOLEDs also have better overall power consumption than OLEDs, but can use more power when displaying brighter colors and aren't as visible in sunlight as OLED displays. One of the most important factors for many people is handset size. But bear in mind that with different screen-to-body ratios, physical dimensions are a better indicator of this than display size. Camera. Cameras are what drive demand for many high-end phones, and neither Samsung or Apple shirk their responsibility when it comes to pushing the boundaries of technology. Apple has embraced the benefits of multiple lenses and includes a 12-megapixel wide and 12-megapixel ultra-wide on the iPhone 12. The 12 Pro adds an additional 12-megapixel telephoto lens and a TOF, time of flight, lens that helps improve photo effects. All three models also have a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Samsung has a 3-lens array on the standard S21, a 12-megapixel wide, 64-megapixel telephoto, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide. This is the same as the Pro, but the Ultra gets a boost with a 108-megapixel wide-angle lens, 10-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Samsung Galaxy loyalists can make use of the Scene Optimizer to automatically adjust and improve scene quality when the camera recognizes the object or scene in the frame. Modes include food, animals, greenery, beaches, and sunsets. Apple is no slouch in the camera department either. It offers a range of genuinely useful and dramatic post-processing effects to enhance your photos. You'll find features such as Smart HDR, blending multiple photos for the best shot, and the ability to change the depth of field of images after they've been taken. Whichever of the two smartphones you opt for, rest assured both Apple and Samsung are right up there when it comes to some of the best and most advanced camera technology. If you're enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Storage. Apple users have long dealt with the woes of running out of space on their phone. iPhones don't come with a micro SD card to expand internal storage, so you need to think carefully about storage configurations before you buy. This year, Samsung users join them. None of the new S21 range have a micro SD card slot to expand storage. Deciding how much you need before you buy is therefore important. The iPhone 12 starts at 64GB capacity, but all other Apple and Samsung models have a minimum of 128GB, which should be enough for most. At the top end, the iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, and S21 Ultra are available with 512GB of storage. Value for money. When it comes to these two tech titans, their premium smartphone ranges sit very close to each other in price. For the first time in 2018, the iPhone toppled over the $1,500 threshold, making it one of the most expensive smartphones ever made. For those looking for a better deal with the iPhone, Apple has introduced the iPhone XR $900 as a less expensive alternative to the iPhone XS $1,200 and SX Max $1,550. It has maintained the same structure with the iPhone 12 range. At release, the iPhone 12 costs $799, the 12 Pro $999, and the Pro Max $1,099. Samsung's Galaxy range is a slightly less painful purchase. The Samsung Galaxy S21 costs $769 at launch, the S21 Plus $949, and the S21 Ultra an eye-watering $1,329. Samsung Galaxy A series. Galaxy A models come in at a level below the Galaxy S range. They're mid-range handsets that aim to strike a balance between price and performance. They may lack some of the most sophisticated functions of their bigger brothers, and their design is a little more functional than fanciful. But they're an appealing choice for those who want a smartphone that can't do everything they ask of it, without spending more than $30 per month on a contract. Samsung Galaxy J series. The Galaxy J line is an entry-level, budget-friendly option. They aren't quite as cheap as some other manufacturers' budget handsets, but in return you get the Samsung stamp of quality and a mobile phone that feels more expensive than it actually is. If you don't use your smartphone for much more than the basics, this is a very valid option. Apple iPhone SE. Following the success of the original, Apple re-released an all-new SE in 2020. But by far the brand's most affordable smartphone at $399 offers a 4.7-inch HD display, 1,344 by 750 pixels, one 12-megapixel wide-angle rear camera lens, and a single front 7-megapixel front camera. It's already proven popular amongst those who don't like larger phones. Read our iPhone SE review for more. Apple iPhone Mini. Hot on the heels of the SE, the Mini arrived. It's still a relatively small phone, at 5.4-inch display size, but it's packing far more advanced features that are more comparable to the iPhone 12. You'll find a higher resolution 2340 by 1080 display and dual 12-megapixel rear cameras, including ultra-wide, along with a powerful processor. It's not cheap though, $699, so is more suited to those who want a premium phone in a compact size. Read our iPhone Mini review for more. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, from which industry is Elon earning most of his wealth? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.